Chick Charms are the house leek to grow. Now, house leek is the common name for Sempervivums, which is what Chick Charms are. And the reason they're called Chick Charms is absolutely depicted perfectly in this plant. And it's because you've got the central plant here. Now, this is known as the hen. And then you've got all of the little chicks all the way around the side of the pot. And that's why they're sometimes also known as hens and chicks. So you get the hen in the middle and you get all of the little chicks. But what's happened now with this latest breeding of the Chick Charms series is they've said, well, actually, you know, we can inject some much more interest here, more colour, more impact. And actually, when we look at the picture I've got in front of me here, that tells you what these are like. So at different times of the year, each of the varieties will give you a different display of foliage colour. And if you're lucky, around about midsummer, so any time from June onwards, you'll also even get a central flower spike as well, pop out of the hen in the middle, or the big one in the middle. And they are gorgeous. They will tolerate very, very low levels of water. So if you've got a very well-drained sort of edge of a bed or border, these would thrive. They love a bit of sunshine. I've got mine, I've got two sets of these outside my front door in sort of oval shaped pots. Not very deep in compost, but with a big layer of gravel over the top, and they absolutely love it. I go and water them probably, when I remember really, once a month maybe. They get obviously any benefit from the rain that happens, but they're so low maintenance, they're so easy to grow, but they are absolutely magnificent because all the way through the year, as the temperatures rise and the temperatures fall, the colours of these change. And Gold Nugget, which is one of my absolute favourites, is a belter. So at this point, this is June when we're filming this here today, this is the colour of it. But actually later in the year, you get these lovely, bright, orangey shades as well coming in there. So absolutely gorgeous, easy to grow, rewarding, and again, you're getting the opportunity here to take advantage of the latest breeding in Sempervivums or house leeks. So Chick Charms, the perfect plant for a well-drained spot in the sun, in a pot that will illuminate your garden 52 weeks of the year.